filed for the following review. Direction to respondent concerned to constitute a committee to investigate, inquire the illegal dealing of the church property and loss of church land ownership possession due to collusion of office bearer of church with land mafia at different districts. As authority under the Society Registration Act, bound under the law to perform any duties enshrined under the. So, my lord, this first prayer, my lord, and therefore, my lord, we have made the representation, my lord. So, my lord, what they have done is, my lord, कि हमको election और management का विवाद है. This is not the management or election dispute, my lord. The first prayer is a completely clear, my lord. It's a crystal clear, my lord, कि जो illegal dealing and illegality चल रहा है.
We have to take the decision on the representation what they have filed, my lords. First, my lord, prior to the order of the report, my lords, we have filed the first so-called, my lords. So that they are not satisfied. Then again, on the order of this honorable court, we have filed the second so-called. We have passed the detailed reason order, my lords. So what is required, my lords?
Their allegation was that there is diversion of property of the society. That whatever be the election dispute amongst the members of the society, it is not the matter of concern. The matter of concern is diversion of property, and the registrar for the societies act under the act has got jurisdiction to inquire into this aspect. People in the society, they keep on fighting, they will keep on fighting. But if the property has been diverted, which could be against the bylaws of the society, then under such circumstances, violation of bylaws of the society, the registrar has to take steps. Where is that step? You are talking about election dispute, you are talking about status quo, you are talking about homelessness. But where is the action to ensure why your registrar will not act as per his powers? Has the registrar said that he does not have the power to inquire into the diversion of property? Who has filed this locus?
The ID registration.
ID registrar. Has he said that he has got no power to inquire into this aspect of the matter because there is an election dispute? आप ऐसे नहीं सकते. After bar association का election dispute हो जाएगा, and if there is a diversion of property of bar association, will it be taken care of or it will not be taken care of? समझ में आएगा? What? This is not a decision of the representation.